Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on Mountains SEM, Digital Surf's industry standard software for scanning electron microscope data analysis. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to turn a stereo pair of SEM images into an accurately measurable 3D model. As you can see, I have opened Mountains and loaded images. Just click on one of the two images and then click on the Stereoscopic Reconstruction button in the Operators tab. Mountains automatically detects the second image to be used for reconstruction. Now check the direction of the tilt stage. This can be north-south or east-west. This can be seen by displaying an animated view of the two images. Click on Suggest Size for Windows, and Mountains calculates the shift between the two images. Click on the Define Scale button to choose which part of the image to use for reconstruction and to set the image scale. Now you are ready for reconstruction. Click here to generate the 3D model. There are no tricks and no shortcuts here. This is in real time and it took less than a second. There are some outliers in the 3D model. No problem. These can be removed simply by checking the Remove Outliers box. When you're ready, click on OK, and the reconstructed surface appears in the document. To obtain a 3D view, click on the Studies tab and select 3D View. Different types of rendering are available for SEM images. You can make the 3D model look more natural by adding a bit of color. First, you need to define a reasonable level of transparency, for example 40%. Then choose whichever color palette suits your needs. You can now carry out measurements such as distances, angles, volumes, and step heights on this surface. Thank you for taking the time to watch this Mountains video tutorial. If you'd like to learn more, check out another tutorial in this series.